Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, I got beat down to like 2 points above bronze 1, and there is a huge difference between silver 3 and bronze 1. So I didn't complete my daily rewards yet. I'm going to do that later. Uh, but I didn't want to lose the silver 3 ranking by 10 o'clock, and it came close. So anyway, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and see what I've got. I've got 12 chests. I was in silver 1 last time, so I think it was 18 last time that I got. And let's hope it's even working, because usually when everybody's doing it all at once, it doesn't work too well. And it is working. Okay, so here's my 12 chest. So let's go. Yes, there's a big difference between silver and bronze, and I did not want to risk it. One thing is you get dark energy crystals. And I got an epic card. Awesome. Good card. Fantastic. That's it. Some more dark energy crystal. And not as many cards as I thought I'd get, but that's fine. Okay, so there we go. I'm starting a new one of these two on the regular foil, but that is nice. So there you go. So let's close this. And again, going over my strategy. See, I only got 2 done, and I was down to like 1,002 points. And life isn't my strongest deck anyway. Death is. So I'll battle on that later, and I might pause it and try to do it. But that way I'm not at risk of losing this. I am down to bronze 2 like everybody else now. That was in my position. And there's the DEC that I won. Now, the rentals were very high. So let's go to the market. I should have had it opened already. I want to show you his peak monsters if I can get to it. Okay, I've got it all opened up. So look at my asset value. It's up to 806. And I bought cards this morning with the DEC. That's the highest. It's usually at the end of the season. And I reinvest it that I get from battling. And then those, I won 62 or 58, whatever the number was. So I'll buy some more cards. But as you all know, I stopped opening packs about a week ago, and it's really made a difference because the cards are just too cheap now. And you're getting like 50 cents of value per pack out of a $4 pack, unless you get something good, of course, but the odds are that you're not. So I'm going to start collecting potions like I just did and go back to packs when the value of the cards come up. But look at this. That's a new high asset value. The rentals now will drop tomorrow. But look at my CP. I'm going to hit 100,000 by tomorrow, because remember, tomorrow I get to put in $10 more. So let's go look at my numbers. And where is it at? It's 10,000 right there. Okay, so this is not financial advice. This is me on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like, subscribe, and join on any of the links below. It really helps me out. Splinterlands 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. It's just something I'm doing on my own. Here's my rolls. It's day 118, maybe 119. I don't know if I updated that. And so I'll put in $10 more. I've put in $704 of my own. I put in $10, and I can do whatever I want with it. I was buying 2 packs. Now I'm going directly to the market and buying, and it has paid off. Now I'm showing $7.95 when I put that in this morning. That's what it was, but it's gone up since $10 now. So add $10 to my total value or profit. That's 200. But the 133 cards, 3166 in the box. So my collection's gone up. Now I sell these sometimes, so this number goes up and down. But look at this, 99,850. I'm almost to 100,000. That's because I've been purchasing maxed out reward cards for like $7. And if they're still that tomorrow when I put in the $10, then I will get another one. Or I've been finishing off my gold card maxed out because they're 45 cents a piece right now. It's just so cheap. And I think that's a new record for my SPS. So we're looking at $200 profit if I cashed out right now and before taxes and took everything. Of course, I'd pay myself, but that's after paying myself back the $704. So the strategy of changing to buying directly from the market, not the packs, has really paid off. Okay. We looked at the numbers already. So let's go back to here. You're still buying these cards at actually less than, they're like a penny and a half. And I was watching some YouTubers today, and they were talking about some of the old card prices that were at 2 cents a piece, and they're going for, 80, 90, $100. So as these get retired, which they are going to soon, then these will start disappearing as they burn them and combine them. Speaking of burning, combining, let's go to my cards, and we will do that with that tank. The S cards are the cards you get for free. If you join on my link below, you can join for free. You get these and other ones with S on it and start playing today. If you purchase the $10 spell book, it opens up to all this financial side of this platform. So I don't know why I'm going to gold. I'm going to owned. There's my own cards. And now let's go to Epic because that is, and there it is. Or was that wasn't a gold card. Or no. Or maybe I didn't have one of these. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I got today. And I also got the gold. Now, the gold one I bought back when I first started playing. So I got one of each now. And it was going for like $20 at the time. So it's come down in value. So let's go back to this. Okay, I thought I had two of the regular foil. I don't. So I won't be able to combine it. So we'll just find one that I don't think I got any that I can, to be honest. Yeah, right here. Okay. So I got two of these. And I've got the maxed out one, which, you know what? I'm going to go rent that right now. And see how it's dropped all the way to 5 DEC, which is just awful. I'm going to hold off on that. And I can't combine it because I only got one. But I maxed out this one. And it's only an $8 value. I put it together for like $6 and something because they were just blowing stuff out really cheap. Okay, let's go to the SPS. They're going to be dropping this for another roughly 90 days. And it's up to 12.3 cents. Okay, came down a little bit. And I'm staking at 25% APR. They're giving me and everybody for free right now for the next 90 days. And they go by your collection power. So that helps out too. The strategy of going directly to the market and buying has been tremendous. So let's go buy some. I've got 62 DEC from the opening the chest here earlier. And let's go buy a couple and then I'll combine them and then I'll call it a day. Or I might pause it and then try to finish out my quest. And it's the end of the season / beginning of a new season. So everybody's probably piling on. Here's why it's taken longer than usual to go between. But what I like to do is I just go to the cheapest one. Now, these are all 2 cents, so you can pick. But let's start a new one of this guy since I got one of him in the chest today. And now it takes 400 of these to make a maxed out card. And I don't know if it's even, you know what? Okay, hold on. All right, so here we go. See, that one's selling for 19.19 cents. So I'm going to buy one. Let's see if I can. See, that one's gone already. Sometimes the bots are buying them or just people are buying them. Okay, so that's 25. 5,000. Oh, I didn't see that. Yep, don't want to do that. But see, that's $8 for a maxed out one, which I might buy him. What do I keep clicking? Oh, right there. Okay, buy 64. So I got to get rid of one. And there we go. That's underneath my. Okay, so I got, I think, 3 or 4 cards with that DEC that I won. And so what I'm doing is I'm paying. You got to put in your key when you do a transaction. Now, when you're renting, you don't. So that keeps you from getting into trouble. Because imagine you're going to rent it and you sell $100 card for a nickel because you're not paying attention. But you can't do that because when you're selling something, or buying, you got to use an active key. And when you're renting, you don't. So it keeps it separated. So there we go. So now let's go to the card. And so I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just not responding well. It went back to for sell. It's moving really slow. So I'm just going to show you this and I'm going to close down. Otherwise, we're just going to be staring at this all day. And I mean, it's taken forever just to go between one area to the other. So let's go back to cards where I'm trying to get to. And there it is. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you want to be careful. You max out a card, it can't get any more powerful, but it will still, and I wish they'd change this, but it will still let you put more cards into the box, which makes it useless. It really does. You're just wasting cards at that point. So I'm going to combine these 5. And there's so I got 5, 10, 15, 20 more power points to go towards my 100,000. And now what it's doing is it's burning and combining them. And there you go. I got a level 2 one now. And I need 9 more to go to level 3. So there it is. That's how it works, guys. I would look, buy low, sell high, hodl. Right now's a hodling and buy low period because everything is low. Don't know how much longer that's going to be like that. I joined just as it was dropping and everything came down. So I'm going to pause it and let me see if I can get the rest of these battles in. I'll be right back. Okay, got it. I'm all the way down to 373 though. And so let's go and just open it. I should wait, but I'm going to go and open it. See what I get, and then we'll call it a day. And it's even playing the game is real buggy right now. And I got a Chromebook I'm playing off of, so that probably doesn't help either. Probably there's so much minting going on with all the chest opening and. All right, here we go. So this is the worst chest you can get. Let's see what I get. 5 credits. Yeah, that's thousandths of a penny. But anyway, So I got my quest done. I'm at the worst rate you can get other than Navic, and I got to fight my way up. So here we are, new season, 16, 17 days this season is. And so let's hopefully this one goes better than the last one did. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.